Okay, Kat. So today I see you being ready for our Nutricential trial set, right?
Yes, I am.
So all
Got it
you
right
need,
here.
yeah, right. That's great. And all you need is to follow my instruction. I will teach you how to use each individual item. And what's good about today is I would like educate you how to use it in a regular routine. It is a really full lineup, and especially if you don't have the right habit, and it is time for you to learn how to use them properly.
Looking forward to it, Daisy.
Okay, so first you need to get the day away. Day away. So this one, right, that's right. So this one is a cleansing water without, you don't need to rinse it after that. So all you need is a cotton pad. Do you have that with you? Yes. Right, good. So you see there's the lid over here, right?
Yes.
So inside you will see like the little cup.
Okay.
And then all you need is to pour 1.5 cup into your cotton pad. So that's all you need to wipe it off on the makeup. How do you feel about this water?
Smells great, actually. It smells clean.
Right.
Is it okay for the eye makeup and lip makeup?
No, if you use those waterproof lipstick or outlets, you need our makeup remover for that.
Oh, great. I have that.
This one is for removing all the light makeup that you have on your face. And it can also remove the sunscreen protector if you put it on during the day. Okay?
Feels good.
Great. So when you're ready, we are going to move on to the next step. Okay, so the next step is to be clear. Follow with this one day away, and this one is the additional cleansing.
Okay.
But it's really moisturizing, and also very gentle because it has like all the good ingredient inside. It's in gel form, so you can put it onto your hand and do a double cleansing again.
And both fingers?
So all you need is to evenly apply to your skin. Right. You are doing a good job.
Thank you. Feels great.
Right. So all the makeup residue right now, it would be removed by this cleansing gel.
So now, as it's drying up on my face, I can rinse it?
Yes, and when you rinse it, make sure that you put the water and then do the gentle massage again.
All right.
Okay. Nice. How do you feel after the double cleansing with this?
It feels super clean, actually.
And do you feel dry?
No, not at all. It feels almost like energized.
Right. So moving on to the next step, we are going to have the brighter day. So as you could see over here, it is an exfoliant scrub. You only need to apply this 2 to 3 times a week. But today I'm going to remove all the dead skin on your face with this. Okay.
So put it all over my face with my fingers?
Yes. And then because you can feel the scrub inside, right? The little particle. And you can move it outward with the circular motion. Yes. Gently. Especially when you wash this with the exfoliant scrub, you have to pay extra care to the area around your mouth, especially the bottom part of this part, right? And your nose area to remove all the blackheads.
You rubbed it in already?
Right. Okay, then now you can rinse it with water. So now all the dead skin is being removed. So why we have to exfoliate our skin is because our skin turnover, it just keep going, so if you don't do the exfoliating at home at least 2 to 3 times a week, then your skin might be bumpy. Okay, so make sure that you apply it 2 to 3 times a week. So moving on, we are going to have imbalance.
So here.
Okay, so with the pH balance toner, so after cleansing, the double cleansing, and we did the exfoliating, so now your skin is clear. It's really clear, and your pores is being open. So now it's time to moisturize it, giving your skin more water. So I need your cotton pad again, another piece of cotton pad. Okay, so when you open it again, just like the day away, you see there's a little cup in the lid, right? So now you pour about 1.5 cup for the full base. So the more toning that you do, you know, it will penetrate into your skin, into different layers more evenly.
I could get addicted to this.
What's good with this toning is like it will maximize your skin level, I mean the moisture level back to 100% again if you do it right.
Wow, that's very comforting to know.
Yes.
Now it all makes sense now.
Great. Okay, so after the toner, what we have to do is to follow with the Celltrex Always Right. So this is an antioxidant serum. When you first use it, because you just open your set, right? So this is completely new, and because it's using a pump, you need to pump it. Inside is really empty, so you need to pump like maybe a few times before it comes out. Right. Keep pumping, keep pumping. Now that you have right there is for half base.
Okay.
So finally, we have this moisturizer. It is called First Fix.
Oh, I love that name.
Right, so what you can imagine is like around like a quarter size.
I mean, you know, everything smells so good and clean.
Okay, so with this moisturizer, so after you apply it evenly, you need to wait for about 1 minute or two until it's been absorbed by our skin. But of course, in the evening, you can just leave it on, right? Leave it on and then you can do whatever you do.
It's so soft, like it's like I'm touching it for the first time.